Here we have a 2015 BMW 335D XDRIVE M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the LED daytime running headlights. We also have the two glass back front kidney grills. We have the Air Performance front splitter. We also have over £12,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. We have the blue exterior paintwork, the 19-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, and with the blue M Sport brake calipers. We also have colour-coded door handles with the black door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers, shark fin antennae up top. We also have the carbon fibre rear spoiler. Round to the rear you find that we have the twin pipe exhaust as well. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. If we take a quick look at the interior, you'll find that we have the full leather interior with the two seats at the front, both of which are heated. There is a look at them. The premium Harman Kardon sound system. We also have the electric windows and electric mirrors. We have the auto lights just there and the auto wipers. A multifunctional steering wheel, paddle shifters either side. We also have the speed limiter and the cruise control, the high beam assist as well. There is a look at the dashboard. We also have the main infotainment screen in the centre, which has lights of the sat-nav. We also have the radio, we have the Bluetooth phone connectivity, all for different drive modes and much more. The climate control just further down. There is the two cup holders. We also have the different drive mode buttons. We have the gear stick just there. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full valet, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. Thank you for watching.